Welcome, and let's talk about Tectonic token. Now, Tectonic token has maintained the 7-day straight rise. Wow, this is amazing. For the past 7 days, even the other crypto coins are on red, and you can see Tectonic token is on green. This is amazing for Tectonic token, and I believe that Tectonic token, of course, will increase more in future. And I believe Tectonic token is, in fact, the developers are really doing great, and I believe by the time they will start getting more listening, Tectonic token is expected to really increase in price. Crypto.com are already showing great support for Tectonic token, and I hope that Tectonic token will continue this, and I believe if Tectonic token can also engage in the large burning of Tectonic tokens, if they can really destroy a lot of coins they have in circulation, if they can really burn off a lot of coin they have in circulation, of course Tectonic token is expected to hit a massive run. Yes, can Tectonic token hit 100,000% increase in price in future? The answer is yes. Tectonic token can hit even above that, but I think first of all they need to get some top exchanges to list this coin, like Get.io, Kucoin. We're talking about, even though Binance, Coinbase, and I believe it is people can come in, even Robinhood supporting Tectonic token. Of course, Tectonic token is going to massively increase in price. Yes, that is one thing they need to understand: the burning of Tectonic token. Burning of Tectonic tokens, circulating supply is very important. It's going to attract a lot of people. Okay, it's going to help the price to really increase, and it's going to make Tectonic token to get more popular. I believe so many exchanges will soon list Tectonic token, and this coin is going to hit massive increase before the end of next year. Of course, Crypto.com and VVS Finance are doing great for Tectonic token. I know that is going to continue next year, and Tectonic token is going to hit a massive increase in price before the end of 2025. I believe they can hit over 100,000% increase in price, especially in the second bull run. Yes, the Tectonic token is expected to really increase in price. Once again, remember this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.